Sabi ko na sige. Tayong uupo. Balik ka na. Si Josh! Bakit ka? Bakit ka? Bakit ka? Nanginig na si Kuya, nakastede na. Wala, hindi na makano si Kuya. Sayang Kuya. Nag-ano na,
I'll see you all later. Ready na ba kayo po, Marty?
yeah!
Pag di kayo po, Marty, alis kayo. Marty, hindi na ako magpa-perform ulit.
Oh, Josh Cullen gave a warning. He said, if you do not party, I will not perform today, or I will not perform again. So 18, you have to do party, you have to jump, you have to sing, you have to dance with Josh Cullen.
Thank you, see you all.
Thank you everyone.
Yeah, he is ready to slay on the stage. The stage will be, yes, the stage will be broken. So I'm not worried. I'm not worried for Josh Cole. I'm worried for the stage. And yo, this is gonna be a great concert. Since he said that you have to party, you have to dance.
Pag di kayo po, Marty, hindi na ako magpa-perform ulit. Thank you, see you all.
Thank you everyone. Enjoy the show.
We're gonna watch it from the.
Bye po, Marty. Pag di kayo po, Marty, alis kayo. Pag di kayo po, Marty, hindi na ako magpa-perform ulit. Thank you, see you all.
Thank you everyone. Enjoy the show.